Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. I hope you're all well wherever you are and whatever you're up to. I've got a really exciting announcement for you today. It's something that we've been planning here for the past few months at G&G. And for those of you that are maybe new to my channel or you're maybe seeing the video for the first time, I'm Lauren and I've got my own fabric and haberdashery shop, which is in Birmingham in the UK, and then we sell online as well. And one of the really common questions that I get asked and that the staff get asked in the shop is what fabrics go with what patterns, and then also the other way around, so what patterns go with what fabrics. A new pattern might come out, and I know that you guys really like getting fabric suggestions and what to do with that, because it can seem quite overwhelming. You come to plan a project and there's just so many choices. So the new sort of little monthly kind of feature venture thing that we're going to be doing is called the G&G Sewing Society, and it's basically going to be a new way for you to get inspiration on your next dressmaking project and get all the things that you need to make that, with lots of help and support as well. And it's going to be through monthly sewing kits. So the way that it'll work is that every month we're going to release 2 brand new dressmaking kits that will have everything you need to make 2 different garments, and the patterns that we choose to include in the kits will be from a range of independent sewing patterns that we have in the shop, and they will vary each month. So it might vary depending on the season and the time of year, or if there is a new pattern coming out, or if we get lots of requests to do a particular one as well. So it'll be 2 different things each month, and they're going to have really special fabrics in them. So we know that when you guys spend a lot of time making something, that you want to really love the thing that you get at the end, the garment that you get at the end. So we are only going to be including either designer fabrics that are in it, or fabrics that we have had exclusively made just for us, or they're going to be fabrics that have the Oeki-Tex standard. And it will vary each month, so it might be that one pattern's for a woven fabric and one pattern's for a knit, or it might be that one garment is really simple and quick and nice and easy, and the other one is a bit more complex and has a bit more of a challenge. So as I said before, included in the kit would be like absolutely everything that you need to make it, and we're going to also give you new needles as well, because I think a lot of people probably don't change the needle in their machine enough. So we're going to give you a new pack of needles, any haberdashery and notions that you would need to make it, the fabric obviously, the sewing pattern. And then we have also got these special little G&G labels, which will be exclusive to the kit. So you get one of them that you can sew into your handmade garment too. And then also the people who buy the kits will also have access to an exclusive YouTube video that I'm going to make, and it will be my process of making the garment, and it will have all of my top tips and recommendations for choosing a size and making any adaptations you might want to need, and yeah, just general things. So the video won't actually replace the instructions that come with the pattern. It'll just sort of be a little bit of extra help and support, and you would be able to ask me questions in the comments of that video, and then I can help you. I can sort of answer anything that you're kind of getting stuck with, so you don't need to sort of feel on your own once you've bought the kit. So in terms of how it will actually work, I want to be clear in that this is not a subscription service. So it's not that you sign up and then every single month you get 2 sewing kits. It's just, there's just 2 standalone sewing kits that will be launched at the beginning of each month. So it's going to be on the first Wednesday of each month, and you can choose to, you'll be able to order them on our website, and you can choose to get them, or you can, if you don't fancy them that month, it doesn't matter. So it's not like you're locked into anything. It's just like a sort of standalone product that you would order, and they'll only be open for sort of sale for a short period of time. So there'll be 5 days that you can like effectively pre-order the kit, and then once that sort of window closes, the next again Monday we will then post all the kits out to everybody all together. So it just gives us like a little bit of breathing space, just to make sure that we can prepare all the kits in time and that everybody gets their kits at the same time. So it's going to be launched to our newsletter subscribers. So if you haven't signed up to our newsletter, you can do that on our website. There's a link at the bottom. And for the first month anyway, maybe the first couple of months, we're going to be sharing it with our whole newsletter list first. So they'll get the newsletter list, they'll get access to that pre-sale before I sort of generally share it on Instagram and Facebook and that kind of thing. But then after that, you will need to specifically say that you want to hear about the Sewing Society, so you have to almost like opt into that part of the list, if you like. So when you do go onto our website to sign up, if you're a new subscriber to the newsletter, you'll see that there's a little question that says, do you want to hear about the G&G Sewing Society? So if you click like yes to that, then it means that you will get absolute first access to the pre-sale, so there's just a higher chance that you'll actually get the kit that month. So you'll have that access for 24 hours, and then, as I said, it will be sort of generally shared on my Instagram and on Facebook and on the website. And then the pre-orders will close on the Sunday, and then the next, again, Monday, everything will sort of get sent out. So hope that makes sense. I have written a blog post about it that sort of explains all of these things too, so you can click on that link in the description of this video if you want to find out a little bit more and read the details again. So our first 2 kits are going to be launched at the beginning of April, and I don't want to spoil any surprises and tell you exactly what they are yet, but I did want to give you sort of a sneak peek of what the boxes will be like. So we're going to be sending them out in these lovely little sort of gift boxes that are recyclable as well. So this will be what it arrives in when you get it, and it'll all sort of be neatly bundled up in tissue and just all of the things that you need to make that project all together. So as I mentioned before, fabric pattern, that kind of thing, and then the little woven label too. So they're really good if you maybe don't live near a fabric shop and it's hard for you to sort of pop in and get the things that you need. You know, you're going to have everything included in the box. They're also really good for gifts as well, so because it kind of comes already packaged up and kind of wrapped up, they're great for gifts too. So I hope it all sounds interesting for you guys. It's always a bit scary when you kind of put an idea out there in the world for the first time, but I'm really excited about this. And we've done sewing kits in the past, and they're always really popular. I've done them with like a blog series, so we've done them when we've gone to shows and stuff before, and people do ask for them a lot. So I'm hoping that this will sort of give you lots of regular inspiration that you can get, rather than sort of sporadic kits coming out now and again. And we're always really open to things that you would want to have in a kit too, so if there's anything that you would love to see as part of this ongoing series, then just leave a little comment for me down below and I will add it to my notebook. But thanks so much for watching, guys. If you've got questions about anything, then just let me know before. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel, just remember to hit subscribe so you don't miss out on my next video. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!